Sounds on Saturday is the place to be for fun on Saturdays. It's the soundtrack to your lives, playing the soundtracks of your lives. Send them over via text or voice notes and automatically qualify for prizes galore, like airtime vouchers, food vouchers, celebrity autographed t-shirts and caps, cash prizes, bicycles. The list is endless. Listen out for details. Our updated WhatsApp details are: the local number is +263 719 498 651. That number again is +263 719 498 651. Our international number is +44 7751 022 922. That number again is +44 7751 022 922. Let's have some fun on Sounds on Saturday.
Keep this frequency clear.
Sounds on Saturday with John the Boss.
We are back at the Radio Commissioner General's invitation.
Relax, it's the cat and the boss now on the loose and on the case for the joy business.
Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air. Before I wake, it's 'cause you took my breath away. Losing you is like living in a world with no air. Oh,
I'm here alone, didn't wanna leave. My heart will move, it's incomplete. If there was a way that I can make you understand.
but how do you expect me to live alone with just me? 'Cause my world revolves around you, it's so hard for me to breathe.
Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air. Can't live, can't breathe with no air. It's how I feel whenever you ain't there. It's no air, no air. Got me out here in the water so deep. Tell me how you gon' be without me. If you ain't here, I just can't breathe. It's no air, no air. No air, oh, no air, no. I walked, I ran, I jumped, I flew right off the ground to flow to you. There's no gravity to hold me down for real.
But somehow I'm still alive inside. You took my breath, but I survived. I don't know how, but I don't even care. So how do you expect me to live alone with just me? 'Cause my world revolves around you, it's so hard for me to breathe.
Tell me how I'm supposed to be with no air. Can't live, can't breathe with no air. It's how I feel whenever you ain't there. It's no air, no air. Me out here in the water so deep. Tell me how you gon' be without me. If you ain't here, I just can't breathe. No air, no no more.
Sounds on Saturday is fun on Saturday.
No air, Jordan Sparks with Chris Brown. We are back on air though, back on the block for your souls to rock. Nostalgia is in the frame as memory makers are the name of the game. Uptown or downtown, if you are feeling a bit run down, musically we're gonna lift you up and fill your cup. On Classic 263 Radio if you're in Zimbabwe, via ZambeziSoul.com in the United Kingdom or GalaxyRadio.net in Germany.
Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her in your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You were made to go out and get her. The minute you don't let me down. You found her, now go on out and get her. But remember to let her in your heart, then you can start to make it better. So let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, begin. You waited for someone to perform with. And don't you know that it's just you? Hey Jude, you do the movements you need. It's on your shoulder. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song, make it better. Just remember to let out your skin. Then you begin to make it better.
Sounds on Saturday with John the Boss.
They called him the Wicked Pickett, Wilson Pickett. Of course, he could be a bad boy when he wanted, so I hear. Originally done by the Beatles, Hey Jude. Reminds me, the battle lines are drawn between Michael Jackson and, my old pal, Clancy Mbirimi, because Michael Jackson will be doing an old Beatles song, and Clancy Mbirimi will be doing his own thing, plus also a Beatle-inspired song. So, you at home get to vote on a winner for next week. Now, that should be very interesting. How did you do with last week's question, by the way? How tall was Julius Caesar? Because he was a Roman ruler. The answer was 12 inches or 30 centimeters. My Chico, among others, got it right. But in order to qualify to be in our 4-weekly draw, I'll need you to get all the 4 questions right. So listen up. Hello. Is that you?
Hello, hello, hello. This is Cynthia Murray, and I'm calling from Liverpool, UK. And right now you're listening to John the Boss. So, this week's quiz question is, driving through Ireland not too long back, the boss noticed one of the booms at the railway crossing was down, yet the other side was up. What was the logical explanation he got from the railway attendant? I don't know what the railway attendant said, but whatever it was not logical.
ndichaita sekuda kwake iye wandipa zororo iye wandipa zororo
Sounds on Saturday with John, the boss.
Zimbabwean songstress par excellence, currently in Liverpool in the United Kingdom with just one of the many songs her mother used to love. Cynthia Murray with the Zim Praise Choir, Hatina Musha Panyika. So, we played the Beatles Get Together last week, but Zimbabwe's very own Clancy Mbirimi out in Harare was having none of it. And he said not only could he sing it better than the Beatles, but even better than Michael Jackson himself, who also covered it. I tend to get very confused because, I'm not too sure about Clancy because, he's got one of his sons named Michael Jackson. So I'm not too sure which one he meant he could beat. But anyway, let's settle this if we can. We assume Michael Jackson as in the king of pop. We're all going to have to vote for this, right? Clancy gets the first bite at the cherry, then Michael.
Tichaita program yeah get together kuti tizo wonganati tizivane. I will know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you've got to be there. But get together up high. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Sounds on Saturday is fun on Saturday.